back to my channel, and today I'm gonna teach you how to program the new generation Motion Moto. I bought this blind. It's usually manufactured from Maxxmotor Windows Fashion, and before I explain to you how this blind usually be programmed, I'm gonna show you what you'll need to program this blind. So what you need is a normal paper clip and a remote. Your remote usually look like this, and you need to know something about the remote before you could actually program it. So as you can see, this is the up, down, side, side. This is the stop button, and this is the button to switch from one channel to the next. And behind the remote there is a hole here. We will call this hole the confirm button. Alright, now that we have that in order, let's begin programming this line. And as you can see here, there is a button on top of the blind, a red button. So this is actually the button on the moto. So in order to program this to this remote, we'll have to press this. Once it lights up like that, and you'll see the blind jog, we will program this to channel 2, and on behind of the remote we'll hit the confirm button, and it's already programmed there to the actual remote. So you see, when I press up, it goes down. When I press down, it goes up. So now this is actually in the reverse position. So what I'll do now, in order to fix this problem, up, down, it goes up. Okay, so now we press confirm at the back, and then we hold down the stop button and the program button at the same time and wait for the blind to jog. So now when you press down, it goes down. When you press up, it goes up. That's it. That's how we program it from the reverse position. Most times you won't have this problem. So once you press up and it goes up, it's okay. Once you press down and it goes down, it's okay. So now what you need to do is to program it to the limit that you actually want it to. So by pressing the down button and the confirm button at the same time, you will see the blind jogs. So what happened, this here is actually in the programming position, and also when the blind jogs, if you watch up here, you will see the red light on top of the moto. See the red light at the top of the moto there? So that means it's in the programming position. So what you do now is you put it to the desired length that you want it to be. So we'll leave it right there, and once it's there, you're okay with it, you press confirm at the back of the remote, using the paper clip of course. And now to set the upper limit, you press the up button and confirm at the same time and wait for the blind to jog. Also, when you press confirm and the upper limit at the same time, you will also see the red light come on the moto. That means it's in the programming position. So now you take it up to the desired length that you want it to be. And you can use the side button to like move it just a little bit, like where you want it. The right side goes down, the left side goes up. And once it's okay there, you're okay with where it is, you just hit confirm at the back of the remote. Using the paper clip, you will see the blind jogs. Once that happens, it's okay. So now you should press the down button. It should stop at the desired length that you set it to. And now you press the up button, and it should stop at the desired length that you want it to stop. So once this is finished, most people, they would like to have something called the favorite position. What is that, you ask? So sometimes you want this blind to stop like halfway by just pressing one button, and you don't want to like wait for it to stop at this position. So I'm gonna teach you how to set the favorite position on this blind. So what you do is that you press the side button and confirm at the same time. So once you press the side button and confirm at the same time, the blind will jog. Once it's jogged, you already set the favorite position. So now if you press down button, it will go all the way down. And if you want it to go to the favorite position, all you need to do is press the side button, press hold it, and it will stop there in the favorite position. You could set it however you want, and that's all you need to know to program this blind. So down button, it goes down. The side button, it stops in the favorite position, and the up button, it will stop all the way up. So whichever you want to do it, it's completely up to you. I'm gonna teach you how to clear off the blind from the remote if you program it to a channel that you don't want it on, or if you want to just copy it from one channel and put it to another channel. Probably you have like 3-4 blinds on one channel and you just want to remove it. The easiest way to do that is what you need to do. Right now it's on channel 2, this line here. So in order to clear it from the remote from channel 2, you have to come where the motor is, and you hold this down for a couple of seconds. You'll see it light up there, then you hold it down again. And that's it, it's clear. So now if I go to channel 2 and I press down, it does not work. If I want it on channel, let's say channel 6, in order to pair this, I press it here one time until it lights up, and then I go to channel 6 and I hit the confirm button at the back. So now it works on channel 6. If I go to channel 2, it would not work because I remove it from channel 2 and put it on channel 6. If you want it back on channel 2, all you need to do is pair it back to channel 2, and that's it. Also, I'll teach you how to charge this blind. So here you will see a little bit of charging port. So one is the signal wire, one is the charging port, charges blind. So what you need is a charger. It usually looks like this. Sometimes you will have the black charger with the green light on it, which is good. That will show you that when the blind needs charging and stuff like that, that would indicate that you need to charge it. That's a new option from Neo. So it's a pretty good charger. So I'm gonna plug this in right here. I'm gonna plug this in right here on the charging port. I'm just gonna plug it anywhere here. Okay. And you will see that the red light is currently on. So that will indicate that the blind needs a little bit of charging. Sometimes you plug it in and the red light does not come on. That means that the motor is usually charged, so you shouldn't worry about it. If you don't see the red light and the blind isn't working, and you try all of these steps to reprogram the blind and it still doesn't work, then you should contact the person you bought these blinds from, and most likely they will send someone to check this blind out for you. So that's all you need to know. Sometimes it could be the motor that's giving the problem, it could be the charger, or it could be the remote. You will need a technician like myself to come and check this out personally for you to figure out what the problem is. If you like this video, just like and subscribe for more awesome video on how it works.